and all my desires, and the secret
Hi, Day! Happy birthday! Kanilang verse ko ngayon ang sinuday, Proverbs 3 verse 15. Commit the Lord whatever you do and your plans will succeed. Birthday again, I love you. Always. God bless. Even si mong family. Padala na sa Ginoo. Love kita ni Lord. Thank you, Day.
and things get out of hand. So
Hi, TJ. Happy birthday. Pili mo na, pila yung edad. Di ba? Happy sa inyo, happy ha. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. I love you. Wish you more birthdays to come. More cakes to blow. And more candles to eat.
Candles to eat?
Yes, right. Bago lang karong tiyak. Sina po kayo message yung niya. Sige, te. Bye-bye. God bless you. I love you. Mwah.
when I hear you say,
Happy 21st birthday to Jillian. Thank you for everything, for your love, support, care, everything good. Then hope this year kana more blessings and good health and love you more. Thank you.
until then, oh Lord,
Happy birthday, Jillian. Happy birthday. Mr. Goodell. Ay, happy birthday. Di mo na mong yung sa imo, te. Talawag kayo, te. Tigado ka mong heart, tagi mong heart, heart din mong pamilya mong heart, mo lang sanalan.
cause I have
Yung
seen
ba na magulit na ako?
the suffering that
Awal lang. Bye-bye, te. Bye-bye.
when we choose to give our love away without a righteous cause. So I promise to be true to you, to live my life in purity as